Let's be honest, hair loss hits guys differently. Men are embracing their look with more confidence and control than ever before. Even though hair loss can bring its share of challenges, modern hair systems are giving men an amazing way to feel like themselves again. And with that shift, men aren't just wearing hair systems, they're learning to maintain them entirely on their own. This independence has led to a huge rise in do-it-yourself maintenance, detailed troubleshooting, and a growing community of wearers helping each other navigate through the challenge. Today, we're breaking down exactly what's going on in the world and how Superhairpieces products can support it. Section 1. The rise of DIY hair system maintenance. More men are choosing to take full control over their hair system care. There are a few reasons for this: saving money, saving time, and regaining control after hair loss. Superhairpieces offers an exciting range of ready-to-wear hair systems. Pre-styled, pre-cut hair units designed to look natural out of the box, along with all the essential supplies like tapes, glues, solvents, and tools, giving DIY users everything they need in one place. With these convenient, easy-to-start options, users are eager to learn as much as they can to get the best results. This has sparked an explosion of highly technical questions online, not about style or color, but about the nitty-gritty details of maintenance. Is my cleaning process correct? Why won't tape stick to this one part of my lace? How do I fix lifting while sweating on vacation? More men are becoming extremely educated wearers, and the community conversations reflect that. Section 2. Adhesion problems no one talks about. Adhesion issues are the #1 frustration among wearers. A surprisingly common complaint is that the attachment duration is noticeably shorter in one specific section of the base, especially on French lace front, rather than the tape not sticking at all. Possible causes include residue deep in lace knots, oils transferring from the scalp, humidity affecting one part of the base, slight stretching or wear on one area of the base, conditioner or styling products soaking into the lace. Superhairpieces carries many different types of adhesives, from very light formulas to extremely strong, lasting ones. But no adhesive can bond properly if the surface isn't fully clean or dry. This is where wearers start experimenting with stronger or different tapes, scalp protectors, glue or tape hybrid bonding methods. The DIY community has essentially become its own research lab. One story in the community that went viral involves a user who went on vacation to Greece. With extreme heat and heavy humidity, their entire hair system began lifting while they were out in public. It sparked anxiety, but it also sparked an important discussion. Men began sharing real-world travel strategies. Carry a small adhesive touch-up kit. Choose heat-resistant or waterproof adhesives for warm climates. Always dry the base completely before attaching. Avoid bonding to sweaty skin. Use warm pressure to reactivate certain glues, even though this might have created unnecessary emotions of embarrassment and fear for the wearer. This one event did bring up a critical truth to light. Wearing a hair system involves more than just improving your appearance. It means being ready for unexpected circumstances and situations you don't consider until they arise. Superhairpieces has all the tools and products you need, but the real magic comes from their experts and this community that makes all the difference. They're the reason we've built such a strong culture of learning and problem solving. Hair loss isn't a dead end anymore. For a lot of guys, it's the beginning of a new chapter, one where they feel confident, in control, and actually excited about how they look again. So if you're part of this community and you found this video helpful, hit subscribe and drop a comment sharing your biggest maintenance challenge and what tricks you've learned to overcome it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.